One of the certificates of merit at the 1972 International Exhibition of Agricultural Machinery was awarded to the Soviet Mobile Servicing Unit, the ATU. This is a general-purpose servicing station. Tractors, farm machines, and road building equipment can be serviced directly in field conditions. The unit refuels machinery with diesel oil and fills it up with water. Bearings are swiftly and easily lubricated. The ATU unit comes with a device for checking storage batteries. Standard instruments are used to check the accuracy of the readings of remote-controlled thermometers and thermostats. Special tanks, filled semi-automatically with hot washing fluid, are used to wash various units and parts. The waste fluid is automatically pumped back into the tanks, where it is purified for repeated use. It takes only one man to drive the vehicle and perform all the servicing operations. Even such a big machine as a cotton harvester can be washed quickly with the help of the ATU. A high-pressure hot water jet is used for blowing out the fuel, lubricating, and cooling systems. The unit's compressor can be connected up to perform all operations requiring compressed air. In 6 hours, this mobile station services 30 tractors. It will help you to save time and money in servicing all kinds of machines. ATU mobile mobile servicing stations are supplied by the Soviet Foreign Trade Organization, Tractoro Export. Tractoro Export, Moscow, the USSR.